Did you know you can make a flashing light circuit using parts from a dead PC power supply? Today, I'll show you a very simple MOSFET project that flashes a 10-watt bulb using just a 12-volt battery. Let's start. Welcome back to the channel, where we make simple and useful electronics projects using low-cost and scrap components. In today's project, we are making a flashing indicator circuit using a MOSFET. This circuit will turn a 10-watt bulb on and off automatically using a 12-volt battery. For this project, I am using one MOSFET taken from a scrap PC power supply, a 10-watt bulb, a 12-volt battery, few resistors and capacitors, and some basic connecting wires. All these components are easily available or can be reused from old electronic waste. A MOSFET works like an electronic switch. When a small voltage is applied to its gate, it allows current to flow between drain and source. This makes it perfect for controlling high-power loads like bulbs. In this circuit, the resistor and capacitor create a timing delay. This delay turns the MOSFET on and off repeatedly. As a result, the bulb starts flashing automatically. This simple circuit can be used as a warning indicator, a decorative flashing light, or for learning basic MOSFET operation. Now I will connect the circuit to the 12-volt battery. As you can see, the 10-watt bulb is flashing clearly. This shows our circuit is working properly. If you like this simple electronics project, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more basic electronics projects using scrap components. And don't forget to comment below if you want the circuit diagram or have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.